How to add music audio to Canva. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel, Create, Login and Delete. I will take you through the step-by-step process on how to add music audio to Canva. Now, let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open your preferred browser and in the search bar, search for canva.com. Make sure you are signed in, and if not, then go ahead and sign yourself in by entering your login credentials. Now, to upload a music, select a design you want to add music in and tap on the Uploads option you see on the left side toolbar. Further, tap on the Upload an image or video button. In the pop-up that appears, select the audio on your device and further tap on the Open button, and with this the audio will be added to Canva successfully. So, this is how you can add music audio to Canva. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do subscribe to our channel for more contents like this. Thank you for staying with us until the end.